We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Let's start the demo session for intent. We have already seen that there are 3 uses of the intent. First, to link activities. Second, to pass data between activities. And third, to call built-in activities. So, first we are using to link 2 activities. For that, you need to create one project, and you can do that from File, New Project. I have already created one project called Demo Intent. So for designing, you can go through this. I have created first activity called activity underscore main and taken only one button. By clicking on this button, I will transfer to second activity. That is second underscore activity dot XML. In second activity, I have only taken one text view which display welcome to second activity. So here we have completed our designing part. So let's quickly move to the coding part. In coding part, you need to create 2 Java files. One is for first activity, that is main activity.java, and second is for second activity, that is second activity.java. You need to register your second activity in manifest.xml file. If you are not registering that, your second activity will not be able to call. There will be a null pointer exception if you don't do this. So to register that activity, you need to write activity Android name and name of that activity. So let's move to the first activity. First activity contains one button. As you can see here, there is only one button, and ID of that button is button. So I have already created click listener of that button. In that click listener, I need to write coding of the intent. So to start implementing intent, first you need to create object. So for that, intent I is equal to new intent. Write it like this. So there are 2 parameters of intent. First is context and second is second activity, means activity you need to jump. So for context, write get application context, and for second activity, write second activity dot class. As you all know, we are running all the Java file by extension dot class. So after that, this line won't transfer your control from one activity to another. For that purpose, you need to write start activity method. Start activity, it contains object of the intent. You can directly write this instead of this I. So here we have completed the first activity file coding, and in second activity you just need to create that activity and set the UI of that activity. That I have already done second activity. So our application is ready to run. Let's run this. Wait for some time. Okay, it is ready. So by clicking on this button, I'm transferring my control from first activity to second activity. You can see here. We click welcome to second activity. So here we have completed link between two activities. Now to transfer data, I need to transfer one name from main activity.java file to second activity.java file. So for that, I need to write put extra method. I dot put extra. There are two parameters, key and value. So in second activity file, to access this value, you need to use this key. So for example, I am transferring name then to the second activity. So in second activity, I will use this key value name to access this name Zen. I know it's a bit confusing. Will more clear when I code this. So to get name Zen, which we have transferred from main activity, first you need to create object of the intent and call get intent method is equal to get intent. After that, to get the data from main activity, use get extra method. So first I need to store it in string. So I'm declaring one string s is equal to I dot get string extra. In this, you need to write the value of key, that is name, write it as it is. So that is N capital NAME name. Now I am just toast it, make it faster. Get application context, then welcome Zane. For Zane it is S, and last that is duration toast dot length long and to show method. Okay, so this is ready. This line will print name welcome Zane, which we have transferred from main activity. So let's run this quickly and watch output. Point two. Okay, let's do. You can see here welcome Zane. Let me run again. Welcome Zane, which we have transferred from main activity to this second activity. So now another use is to call built-in activities. So I am taking one example that I am opening browser with one URL. Let's say we are opening google.com. So for that, I need to create intent object. I is equal to new intent. For this, there are two parameters. First, you need to define built-in intent, and second, you need to parse URI. So to define built-in intent, write intent dot, say we are using action underscore view to call built-in action underscore view intent, which will open browser with URI. So URI dot parse. Here I need to write google.com. For that, https colon google.com. Next, write start activity I. So here we have completed three uses. First is to link two activities. Second, to pass data between activities, and third is to call built-in activities. So let me run this. Okay, you can check here. It is open. So I hope you understand the intent well. You can create your own application. If you have any query, you can write it to me. See you until next time.